Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Dylan's Air Guns, or if you're new, welcome to Dylan's Air Guns. I have here the Marine Corps SP02 Airsoft pistol, and I'm going to show you how to take it apart, or disassemble it. So this is what it should look like as soon as you pull it out of the box. Now, to start disassembling it, you'll want to pull this piece up right here. Hold on. So yeah, you lift that piece up and then you roll it around like this. Then you just pull it out. As you see, I've pulled a little handle out of it. That's what keeps the gun held together. And for this next part, you want to make sure it's emptied out. You want to make sure it's not loaded, like that. And that's how you can easily take the top part off. You would have to cock the gun first to be able to do what I just did. But on the inside, you got the spring right here. That whenever you cock it back, it'll compress, but you can't see that unless, you know, it's attached to this part of the gun. So that's the unfortunate thing. You can't see what it actually looks like when it's cocked. And you got the rubber band right here. You do that, you can that's pretty much what it does when you slide it back. And as you can see right here is where the BBs go into the chamber one at a time. This is a single shot pistol. It doesn't take any CO2 or anything like that, so you gotta slide it back for each shot. And like I said, this is where it comes out of. It's a 12 round magazine. You pop it out like that with this button right here. Yep, that's how it works. So here's the gun completely disassembled. 4 pieces all together. As you can see, I've loaded it with BBs right here. It holds 12. Make sure you don't hit that piece right there, or else all the BBs will come flying out. Now it's time to reassemble it. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to disassemble your air gun, this one in particular, and stay tuned for more.